Alright, so my man just finished the DJI Avata flight. How was it, sir?
Avata?
Where's it, the Avata?
What are you saying, Avata?
Oh,
no,
it's not.
man.
Oh,
No,
it's
Avata,
not the Avata. Oh no. Bob, he said that's an insult, guys. Why is it an insult? Because, yo, dude, I just got into droning, FPV, and I just got the Avata. This is my first drone ever.
Nice.
So
you fly manual already, or
no,
no?
I just fly with the joystick, with the joystick where it came with. Yeah, man.
nice.
Which drone is this one, dude?
It's like a home-built drone.
This is
With
so
the GoPro 11.
sick. This is so sick, man, dude. Respect. You built this.
Yeah.
Guys, he built this drone himself.
Naked GoPro, it's stripped.
Naked GoPro and strip, guys. Hats off.
I'm going to fly.
All respect. Man, go into the air. Air Jordan. Let's go. Yeah, guys. Off he goes into the air. I hope y'all like that. My man building the drone himself, eh? Caps to that. Let me know what you think about that. Drop some comments down below. I'll see you in the next video, guys.